because I say, what's the ice? I don't say, what's the price? It's the heist. I've been winning all my life. On the road, it's a geist. All right. I was just cleaning up this area, as you can see, in our den, because we are going to be getting a couch in the mail. Well, it's getting delivered, our new couch for in here. Right now, actually, well, what time is it? Yeah, so anytime between now and within a couple of hours. So I figured I'd pull out the camera and just vlog again because I had a lot of fun vlogging my last time. So anyway, while I was just cleaning, and the topic in my brain today in the past 2 days have been what I want to do for Halloween, because last year I did it so last minute. And I have this one thing that I want to show you guys in a few that I really want to base my outfit around, and I want to show you so I can hopefully get some like insight, because I'm trying to think about it right now. I'm not usually a Halloween person, but I kind of just want to do it. So let me go get it really quick. Okay, I grabbed it and I want to show you guys this thing. Okay, so this is what I've been playing around with for the past few days. So this brand called INH, or insert name here, they sent over this ponytail that I've been playing around with for the past few days, and it's made me really inspired for Halloween, because I want to do something like based around this ponytail. So as you can see, it's a super long like faux ponytail, which obviously I have super short hair. Sorry, the cats are running around, but obviously I have super short hair, so I think this is so fun. I put it in a few times, and I wanted to show you guys it because I think it's so fun, and I also need your opinions and ideas of what to be, because I looked up like blonde, long ponytail celebrities, and I couldn't find much, and I'm like, no, I want like a character from a movie or a show or something. So I want to put it in right now. I'm going to put my hair up, brush it all into a ponytail. I really want to show you guys. It's so fun to me. And it came with this little scrunchie thing, and then it also came with this, what I've been actually using this so often. It's the Quick Slick Hair Essence, and if you guys wear your hair up a lot like me, it's really good because it like gets all of the little flyaways. So I'm gonna do that. So I want to give you guys the full picture of what it's gonna look like, you know? I mean, obviously if I did it for Halloween, I'd really take my time with my hair and stuff, but I feel like this, if you can see, it just flattens them. It looks like, I'm doing this without a mirror. I'm just gonna use the viewfinder because I'm just sitting down here and I wanted to try it out while I was thinking about it. And it velcros to itself, and then you pull this one little piece of hair around it to hide it, which is just so much easier. And then this is how it looks. Look at this. I feel like it's like a princess hair. Oh, maybe I could be like a princess that has a super long bun like Rapunzel, and I just like braid it down. But I feel like Rapunzel, you have to have it down to the floor. I don't know, but see if you can see how long it goes. It goes to like my boob, or my mid back, and I just think it's so perfect. It matches my hair really nicely. I think that this blonde color is called champagne blonde, so if you have a similar hair type to mine, but yeah, you can kind of see it back there fluttering. But if you guys have any options or ideas for Halloween ideas around this, please let me know, because I would love to know. But somewhere to wear, maybe I could wear this. You know where I might want to wear this? I'm trying to get tickets to the Harry Styles show. What if I did something like this? That would be super fun. Okay, anyway, now that I asked that question before I forget, I am going back to cleaning this room. I just am trying to get the stains off of the floor. Like, it's just like this light wood floor just kind of gets so dirty so easily, and we've never really fully been able to get things off of this floor. And we have like, and I have this little steam mop thing. It's the Crosswave Cordless Max, and I love it so much. This thing has made my life so much easier with these floors. But anyway, okay, I decided to take it out because we have those delivery people coming, and I feel like I look a little bit too fancy with it in. But anyway, so I'm going to I found these big clips on Amazon, and I think I'm going to grow my bangs out, you guys. I know I just got them, but, well, not really. I've kind of had them for a while. I'm just kind of over them. I was looking at old, sure, you can see the kitty litter thing. But I was looking at old pictures of myself without bangs, and I'm like, oh, I like being able to like curl the front pieces around my face. Anyway, but they were really inexpensive. I think they were like in a 3-pack for like $2 or something, I want to say. And so I got 2 packs, so I would have like 2 colors, or 2 of each color. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna talk to you whenever the delivery gets here of the couch, because I'm just gonna keep cleaning this. It is now 8 p.m. and they're still not here. I know, right? But we checked online. There's like a thing that we found that we can look at. It's like our stop is next, so hopefully the couch comes today. But I finally finished working for the day. Yeah, and now Felix has to go potty. So I'm gonna take him outside. I did make a coffee at 6 p.m. that it's 8 now and still haven't finished, but that's how my coffee drinking goes. Okay guys, it's the next day, as you can see. And our couch, what time did they come? They came at like 9 p.m., which is actually insane. I don't know, I didn't even know they worked that late. The poor guys were out like all day. They were super tired. But I wanna show you the couch in here. So I'm shutting this because the cats are a little bit crazy about this couch right now because it's textured. But this is our den room. You guys have probably seen it. It's a little bit messy. We have my karaoke machine thing over there. But this is the couch, and it's from Crate & Barrel. It's this textured boucle fabric, and I just think it is so beautiful. I love the shape of it. This is not where it's going to stay or how it's going to stay. We have to get a rug in here. We have to get everything situated. This is kind of not anywhere near finished. I am actually going to paint up to the ceiling. This red color, paint the doors as well, but look at it. Oh my god. Anyway, I'll show you that really quickly while I remembered to. And also, we are about to go to Target, and so I figured I'd pull you out, take you with us, because I want to look at some of the fall decor, and I have quite a few things on my list. I have like cleaning things that I need to get, and just that kind of thing. So let's head to Target, shall we? I think that'll be good for our souls. We got home actually a while ago. We've been kind of like doing random things. You know how it goes, and everything is a mess right now. Away groceries. If you'd like to know what we got here, hold on. Let me put these clips in because my hair is gross from the day. I think we're gonna make cocktails. Jared's gonna make us some, oh gosh, what are they called? I don't know what they're called. I have to look it up, but I'll show you what he ends up doing and making, and with what. And then we're just gonna like hang out for the rest of the night. So we got some cleaning things. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser removes soap scum. Febreze scent for the bathroom. I don't know. I was like, okay. Vinegar and baking soda, and then this Lysol toilet cleaner. If you live on well water, this stuff takes off like the rust stains. We get them in our shower for the most part. Like that's kind of the only place that we really get them. Sometimes in our toilets, but I use this in the shower too to scrub off the rust stains, and it's so good. It has to have, I think it has to have this hydrochloric acid, and that's what really gets in there or something. I don't know. White dragon fruit, and we got a bunch of like hair products of Kristen S products. So I got the shine enhancing conditioner. This is the daily cleansing shampoo. I got this curl shampoo and conditioner from them to try out. Try this organics dry shampoo, argan oil and Morocco. Okay, Jared just fresh in. Jared just told me that it's a creamsicle mimosa we're gonna make. He's going to make. He is the new bartender of our house. Oh, let's see. He just gave me. We have this. I got him this for Christmas, I think, or his birthday or something. And it's this delish ultimate cocktails, 100+ amazing recipes. A bunch of different recipes in here for really cool, unique cocktails. And this one's a creamsicle mimosa. You need orange slices, sugar, orange juice, heavy cream. We do have heavy cream too, and prosecco. or champagne, whatever, and we're gonna try that, so that'll be good. And then we did end up getting a couple fall things. Like this is from the dollar section. This was $3, or the $1, $3, and $5, $10 section, I guess. This pack of like fuzzy socks. You cannot have fall without fuzzy socks, right? Anyway, that's what we're up to. I look like death right now because I'm just so tired from this week, so TGIF. But anyway, this is the house at night. I feel like we never vlog at night, or I never vlog at night, and so this is what it looks like. I should probably turn lights on because, you know. Cheers. You guys, this is so good. You have to try it. Creamsicle mimosa. In case you don't have the book, I'll put the recipe down below. Hey. Hi, good morning. It's the morning on a Sunday now, and I figured I would pull out my camera, finish the vlog, because I just kind of vlogged a bunch of random stuff, and I don't know, take you along with my morning today. I think right now we're going to get stuff ready to go take Felix a little, you know, like, exercise, not a run, but yeah, and because he'll flip if he hears me. First I need to fill up my little fanny pack with his treats, because he's still in training, definitely still in training. It was so good until he hit 100 pounds, and so I never thought that we had to. Anyway, so that's stocked up. I always think I look like the biggest dork on the walks with this, but really everything. Fanny packs are just like a miracle. But we're gonna head out. Jared's taking him outside right now to go to the bathroom. See? My wallet even fits in here. Has a little poop bag thing right here. Done with our walk now, and we have a bunch of things to go to the recycling center right now, and Jared's getting gas, so I figured I'd pull you out and update you. I think we're gonna like I just said, go to the recycling center. I think we're going to get Sweetwater's, which is my favorite coffee ever. They have the best cold brew, and yeah, so that's what's happening, and it's just gonna be like a slow day. This is basically all we're doing to get out for the day, I think, because at home our Sundays are like for cleaning, so we're just gonna be cleaning everything. A bunch of new cleaning like tools coming in from Amazon, like this little like toothbrush thing. It actually really does look like a toothbrush, but I saw that they sell it at Target. I should have just got it at Target. It's called the, let me see, I'm trying to get to Amazon. I want to say it's called the Rubbermaid. And a Rubbermaid electric cleaning brush, spinning cleaning brush, and it's supposed to be like really good for getting in the cracks of like grout and stuff. So I'm gonna like go ham today, and so that's what we're doing. Just excited for Sweetwater's. I'm gonna get their dreamy cold brew. So good. But it's just a beautiful day out. Let's see, what is the weather? Hey Siri, what's the weather? I'm wondering. 64 degrees out right now, and I think the high is like, I think the high is pretty high actually today, like 80 or something. So glad we got up early and like got to go outside when it's nice out, rather than when it's hot. But yeah. Here's my beautiful, dreamy cold brew. I shake it up And then it's so freaking good. I think in one of them they put like cold brew and then espresso. I don't think this is the one, but it's so good. And then I got a little breakfast sandwich too. Okay, we're back home. I'm out on the porch. We got a few things from Home Depot, as you can see, or as you saw in the last thing. Like these hay bales. And my mom always did this kind of thing for fall, and I was like, you know what? I want to do that this year. I didn't do anything like this last year, and I just want to try it. And then I'll show you kind of what it looks like. These two are both from Target, I believe. I love this little setup. I just changed that over last week. Okay, this is all I have so far over here, and then I think I need to get 2 more for over here. So I'll update you if I vlog again. These are from Home Depot, and I just think they're so pretty looking. Okay, my camera's flashing, that's gonna die, and this kind of brings us to the end of the vlog, I think, because we're just gonna clean the rest of the day, do some stuff at home. Sorry, my eye's all red because I've been itching it because I have like a hair in it or something, I swear. I don't know what happened, but I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, subscribe down below if you feel like it, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!